It's great to be back in Bassano on behalf of Venice in Peril this time. Venice in Peril has a long history, over 50 years, of supporting projects, restoration, conservation projects in the island around the lagoon in Venice. But this is the first time we are doing a project on the terraferma, on the part of Italy, part of the Veneto, which was formerly the Venetian Republic. Some people have asked me, why Bassano del Grappa? And it's important to understand the role that Bassano has played in the historical, political, economic and cultural life of this part of Italy. In Bassano, not only do they have the fantastic collections here at the Museo Civico, there is another great museum, Palazzo Sturm. There is the Ponte Vecchio, which is a Palladian bridge, absolutely iconic, and there is the Castello di Ezzelino. Venice in Peril, we're very happy to be supporting this project for the restoration of Canova's Cavallo colossale. Venice in Peril has a long tradition in supporting projects by Antonio Canova. I think what is particularly interesting about this conservation project is that it involves a lot of innovative techniques to restore the plaster to its original state.